Yes, this is Encryptos. So once you open your MT5, you go to the code section and select the pair. So according to the trade signal shared in the Telegram channel, remember link is in the description. Join the Telegram group. So you can see the pair we are trading is ETH. We are longing. You can see the stop loss, the entry price, the take profit. So ensure you follow the instruction on our trade signal to enjoy consistent profits. So once you come to the code section, you check if the pair is here or not. So if it is not there, you can add it by clicking on this plus icon up here. Okay, so once you do that, you search for the pair right here and you click on it to add it. So for this example, the pair is ETH USD, so you can see it right here. So you just select it and you are good to go. Okay, so once you see the check mark there, it means it's already selected. So let's go over to the code section. You tap on the pair, so you see these options. So to place the trade, you click on the chart. So because we want to use the chart option to place this trade. Okay, so here we have the chart here. So click on this rectangle top right corner. So you're going to see a box here that's going to show you the sell and the buy button. So in between, you're going to see the lot size. So this is where we control the amount that we are using per trade, so that we risk the exact amount we're supposed to risk per trade. Okay, so to start now, you click on this round button. So this line is going to show, you can see the line. So this line now is what you're going to use to place on the entry price according to the trade signal. So the entry price on the trade signal is 3089. So make sure the line is on the entry price. So you can see the 3089. Okay, so that is for the entry. Make sure it's accurate. So we can still adjust the decimal part of the price when we're about to complete the setting up of this trade. So the next thing is to set the stop loss and the take profit. So if you look down here, you're going to see SLTP. So you're going to click on SL. Let's start with SL. So another line is going to show up. So that line now is what you're going to place on the SL price, the stop loss price according to the trade signal. So you can see that the SL on the trade signal is 3044. So we ensure that we place it accurately. So the decimal part might not be accurate, so when we want to complete the trade, we're going to set that. So you can see it 3044. So that is the stop loss line. So the next one is the take profit. So you can see the take profit icon there, so you click on it. So once you click on it, the line for take profit is going to appear. So you can see the line there, so you adjust it to the take profit price according to the trade signal. Okay, so you can see the price at 3157. So that is the price on the trade signal. So once you do that, everything is set and you're good to go. You can see the amount you're going to lose if the trade goes against you, and the amount you're going to gain if the trade goes in your favor. So you can see the amount you're going to lose is 6747. So let's assume you want to risk more. Let's say you want to risk 15,000 or about 15,000 per trade or on this trade. So you come up here where we have the lot size. So we are going to adjust it. So as you're adjusting it, you see the price on the SL changing. Okay, so we're going to do some adjustment now. So currently 0.1. So you can see these two arrows beside the decimal point. So this one is to increase it and this one is to decrease the lot size. So in this case, we want to increase the amount because we want to increase it to 15,000. So we're going to click on those arrows. So as you can see, the amount on the stop loss is also increasing. Okay, so we want to increase it to around 15,000. Okay, it's almost there. Almost. Yeah, you can see now it's more than 15,000. So we will reduce it. We don't want it to be more than 15,000. So we click on the second arrow to bring it a little bit back down. So as you can see now, it is below 15,000. So, and it's close to 15,000. So this is the amount we want to risk on this trade. So this is how you adjust the amount you risk per trade in such a way that you don't lose more than. Then you click on this arrow down here to complete the trade. Once everything is set up, you tap the arrow, so you're going to see this page where you're going to confirm that everything is set. So this is where we're going to adjust the decimal point on the entry price, the stop loss, the take profit. So we're going to adjust to be sure that the entry price is exactly what we want it to be, the stop loss is exactly what we want to be, and the take profit. So on the trade signal we have 3089.48. Then for the stop loss it is 3044.89, and for the take profit it's 3157.27. so now everything is accurate. Then we can click on place trade. Once you do that, everything is done. Congratulations, you've placed your trade. Now we're waiting for price to pick up our order for this trade to run. Okay, so you can see the trade right there. Everything is set.